Easy chopper shit. PC, let them know it's hard work over there, man. Yo, I reminisce as a ghetto child. Let a split spread around the room as I get in depth and dead a clown. I got a fetish infatuated with killing frauds and vanishing with the murder weapon. I'm still at large. Young nigga, I'm dreaming of Auto Mars and owning land. I wanted that more than I wanted cars. Your bitch said I was better. Insecurity got you out of your element, jealous and irrelevant. Somebody tell us nigga get a clue. Hating me is ammunition for me killing you. I'm convinced the opposition is inefficient, using tactics trying to take us out of position. Destroy the leader, I'm leaving your crew in disarray. We burn a reefer with divas and sipping Cabernet. Millionaire mind state since 9-8. And nigga said my music be boosting the crime rate. Came in the spot, created a murder scene. We the murder team. Woo! Yeah.
Yo man, you have any shout outs or you done?
One more. Clock ticking, supreme ambition, block clicking. I can't go back, I'm on my pivot. Bragging about your living arrangements God giveth, and God taketh away divine intervention. I'm lying in the trenches, fully equipped. You'll get twisted if I raise biscuits like breakfast. Reckless when I aim click, you left breathless. Expert of cocaine flips, I ran strips. Them lame niggas came up quick, switched their game up, bitch. I've been a threat since 9-6. Young with a wild click with full clips, about that bullshit. Ruthless like L Cool J with a pool stick. LMAO, these rap niggas fucking with me. I guess the forecast in hella be snow. I could put them niggas head in a scope. I swear to God, my niggas is thirsty and say it's better than coke. The groundwork, that's the tip of the iceberg. Open the floodgates, the illest nigga out of the tri-state. Yo, shout out the whole RSNY, H-Styler. You know what I mean? Rock Too Easy. You know what I mean? All my niggas, man. Big Shaq, Dame Dollar, Rockstar Remix, Young Jugs, Stunner, Nunny, you know what I mean? Everybody, man, FCE, you heard? Everybody had that.
Cruising down the BQE. She on my speakerphone, crying, hallucinating like she ain't wrong. I respect the women that get their money and hold us down.